There is only one reason you will ever see this many eagles in the sky: food. Thousands of hagfish are migrating somewhere deep below, but they get caught in massive upwelling currents that send them to the surface too quickly. This rapid ascent causes barotrauma, and the fish fill up like balloons. Easy pickings for hungry eagles. With so much easy food to be had, the eagles often target the same dying fish. Whoa, that was a close call, but the fish is still floating on the surface, and it won't go to waste. A second pair of eagles have made the same mistake. You can almost see the frustration in the second eagle's talons. But why go for the smaller fish when you can have one much larger? This big floppy dangler, as we say out there in the rapids, it's like a homing beacon for every single eagle in the sky. But this bird knows this, and it has a plan. All it has to do is stash it right here in this log. Fish jerky for the win. Glad I'm not a fish.